Good afternoon, sir. Tell me about yourself.
Good afternoon. My name is Rajan Pokhrel. I am 51 years old. I am from Nepal. I am married and I have 7 members in my families. My education is intermediate pass in social science and arts. My height is 5.2 and weight is 750 kilo. And medically I am fit and fine. I have 12 years experience in goat farm in Nepal. So I want to go European country as a goat farm worker to earn money, to support family and to secure my future life. I am hard-working and honest person. Obedient, respect and discipline is my motto. I will complete my contract period as companies, and also I am following the company rule and regulations. Thank you.
अलिअलि थर्किदिनु सबै कुरा
Kitin sardiyo? Lah.
आइज ल ल आइज
Ang panig din sila.
ल ल